Yeah, this is really strange. We were here the other day, so why are they coming back? That's pretty darn interesting. You know, very interesting. So we'll see what happens. But this time, they didn't have any CHP last time. I recognize the one gentleman in the plaid. But this time, I got two CHP officers. I think I recognize them from the other day. Good morning, gentlemen.
Morning.
Morning. Didn't we do this house the other day? We need to be doing the house next door. That's where all the chickens are. Yeah, it's the same crew from the other day. I recognize the ladies. So I'm not going to be spending too much time on this stuff, guys. Bottom line is, they're not going to talk to us. But this is happening at 5826 Trough Street. Alright. Morning, sir. Hey, pretty good. Hey, thanks for remembering my name. See that? That's respect. That's why I love this guy. Why are we doing this again? We should be doing it at the house next door. They're the ones with the chickens. Oh, they still got some?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Like I've been trying to tell everybody, there's no sense in filming you guys. I was headed over to Mark Takano's office. It's time to push our politicians to figure out what's going on. You guys aren't our problem, you know?
We appreciate that.
Yeah. I'm live right now. I'm telling my people. Our problem here is the politicians. Somebody told them to shut up. I mean, everybody is shutting up. That doesn't make any sense, you know?
No, we appreciate that. None
Yeah.
of us take any pleasure in euthanizing birds.
No, if I wasn't on Social Security, I'd apply for a job. And I'll tell you how to get these chickens out of here. We quarantine a whole block. We bring in the National Guard, and we just burn everything. That's how you do it. You can't go from house to house. You know, I mean, you can, but it would defeat the purpose. All right. Well, thanks, guys. Yeah. He remembered my name, John, because I'm running for election, and I hope I get in.
It's on the back of your car.
Oh, that's true, too.
Yeah.
Plus, I was wearing my shirt the other day, but now that I got a chicken shirt. Isn't that cool?
I saw that.
And I've been trying to tell people we don't put their faces on our cameras. Legs, chickens, that's all we're interested in. The procedure here, now see this? This is what I like. Now that you guys are using U.S. government plates, when you come around this area, you're using U.S. government plates, you got no problem with me. That means this is official. But when it comes Texas and Arizona folks, you know, you got to watch them Arizona folks. They don't like us Hispanics. All right, so I appreciate it, guys. Thank you. Off to Mark Takano's office. Take care. All right, guys. Like I said, they're all over the place. It's real easy to find these guys. This is the house I did the other day. This house here on the corner here. I did the live feed when they were talking to the guy first time, and I see chickens running right there. So why are they focusing on one house? Why are they focusing on one house when, you know, I don't know. Anyway, I'm not in charge of this whole thing, but at least you guys have to understand something. The only way to stop this is to get our politicians involved. Alrighty?